What's going on, guys? Another one. Okay. I'm sure everyone heard in the news about the whole Twitter and Elon Musk buying Twitter and, laying off a bunch of people. Hey, we've all been there. I've been there as well. It kind of sucks getting laid off. So, being an artist, I tend to have a weird sense of humor. I tend to find humor in everything. So, I was like, maybe I should do a little caricature, based on this, hey, my heart goes out to all those guys that, was laid off or whatever. And, it is a bad situation. It sucks being laid off. I've been laid off, before. So, not once, but twice, so, hey, I'm not going to cast any stones out there, sometimes it just leads to better opportunities. And, that being said, I am going to sketch out a little illustration here. I give you a sneak peek. This is kind of like, close to the finished product, but, I had a lot of fun drawing it. I tend to like, I think of like weird things, or rather, I have a weird sense of humor. So I tend to, draw or want to draw what I feel at that time, So since this is kind of like trending, I thought I'll just come up with some idea. I had it in my brain. I still may do some other little changes here and there, but I just want to create something kind of, I guess, would be funny. It's funny to me. I hope it may make you chuckle a little bit, even though, for those who were laid off or whatever, I'm hoping that you find, other jobs elsewhere. I'm pretty sure you will, and that just brings forth, hopefully it'll bring forth a better opportunity, So, hey, here's my drawing. I'm going to do some color as well. So I hope you enjoy. I hope it doesn't hurt or offend, because, hey, I've been there, I've been in those shoes before. So I feel the pain, but, it doesn't last forever. The pain goes away. You find a new opportunity, you meet new people, and, you have great relationships and connections. And, that's what life is all about, making good connections. So enjoy. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a like or a comment. I might get a little bit of hate off of this. I hope not, but hey, express yourself. And I guess that's it. So see you next time. Peace.